and work experience.
Hello, nice to see you. I'm sorry. Sorry, I've got my microphone. Lovely day, isn't it? Okay, sure, let's go. I'm nervous. I can't take all this. I've got my microphone as well. Should we go in? Hello. Yes. This is my first day on the job, and I'm nervous. I won't deny it. Somebody suggested that I should do this as work experience, and well, let's see if it's for me. I certainly hope so. And let's see. Damn! Yes, what are we doing today, John? What are we doing?
Well, first of all, call me boss.
Boss?
Boss. I'm the boss.
Right, that's your name, is it?
No, my name's John, but call me boss.
Okay, yes, no problem. Yes, okay, boss. What are we doing anyway?
Well, we're fitting a basin.
A basin? Oh, yes, see
What
this?
basin?
Yes, I can see it. The basin's here. And that looks very similar to the one my mother uses to cut my fringe, to get the line straight. See the line? That's the one that she uses. A bit similar to that. And this is lovely. What a job. Being a plumber. It's very easy. I've done nothing so far. Very, very difficult, this, I have to be honest. I've never seen detail like it. It's a wonderful thing, though. Cross-stitching.
Fred, what are you doing?
Well, I thought there was 5 minutes to spare. I thought perhaps I could do it. And the lady said I could do some cross-stitching. Is there a problem?
Right, Fred.
Yes?
What we've got to do is we've got to put this here.
Yes, yes.
If you can just get the drill from down there, Fred. Fred,
Yes?
just get the drill.
The drill?
The big drill.
Which is this one here, isn't it?
Yeah, bring that over here.
What do I do with it?
Bring it over here, Fred.
Sorry. I've never done this type of thing before. You've got to remember it's all new to me.
Fred, can you put that down? Fred,
Yes.
put that down.
Yes, but
Fred, listen.
I need to have that. It's part of me. It's part of me. I feel lost now. Without it, it's like having to blanket.
Right, Fred, just drill the hole.
Where do I drill it?
Right through there.
What do I do? Oh! That was a shock, wasn't it? Where do I do it?
Just straight through there, Fred.
Well, any place at all?
That's it.
Just
That's
there?
it. Yeah, go on.
Are you ready? This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I'm very nervous, I have to be honest. And I hope this is the right career.
Fred!
Yeah. Can I pull it out?
Yeah.
There we are. Have I got the job? This is the
Okay,
question.
sir.
Yes, thank you. Where's my mic, please? My microphone. Thank you. Can you... What a wonderful experience. This thing called love. I just...
Hey, come on.
Can't
We've got a toilet to fix here.
Pardon?
Come on.
What?
We've got a toilet to fix.
Yes, but I've written a song. It could be a hit. I've got a feeling.
Come on, get on with it.
Dear. Hello. I've been sent to a builder's yard for a long stand for some particular reason. I don't quite know why, but they obviously need it for something. And so yes, that's why I'm here. And this is great fun, I must say. Yes, sorry.
Have you ever seen a bender before?
I beg your pardon.
Have you ever seen a bender before?
Yes, I've seen several, I have to be honest. Sorry.
Bender, pipe bender.
Oh, I see, yes. And what do I do with that particular instrument? Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Bending the pipe.
Yes. What do I do?
Alright, so I'll show you now. Just let me find the other piece to it.
Okay. It's going to be fun, I can sense it. What a wonderful day it's been, boss. I've had a wonderful time. Are you pleased with my progress?
Yeah, you've been very good.
Cheers, thank you. I want to be sure that I've done the proper thing and that you're happy with me. And it's been wonderful.
Yeah.
Let's carry on. Do we need to do something else?
Yes. Get some tools for the band. Come on.
Let's go and get some tools. It's been a wonderful day, I have to say. Cheers. It's a wonderful job, I have to say. It's wonderful. It's lovely.
Wash the cups now, Fred.
Pardon?
Wash the cups now, so.
Wash the cups. I've got to, Well, I still haven't finished mine. Do I have to do it now?
Yeah.
No. I must say it's been a wonderful experience. Have I got the job? I just need to, I need to know.
No, sorry, Fred. You're not good enough.
Well, I've only had a day's experience. I mean, give me a little bit longer. I write songs as well, you know.
Well, everybody writes songs, me old flower. I'm sorry. You haven't got the job.
Call me.
I don't think so, Fred.
It's been fun.
No, sorry, Fred.
I'll see you, boss. I think you like me. I must say this is a lot of fun, I have to say. I've enjoyed myself, boss. It's been wonderful.
Good.
Do I need to learn anything else, or have I been doing just fine? Any idea? Give me a clue.